This home is being sold in as-is condition. Just wanted to pick up some of those conditions for you. This is the entryway where the boards are not fully seated. There's some cracking along the seam, fairly typical in a mobile unit such as this. The floor in the dining room is very creaky. Hopefully picking that up, possibly not. The blinds in front of this window, this door, are very difficult to open. Not a major challenge, however, I wanted to note it for you. Sheetrock in one bedroom requires some significant patching. Also the carpet, if you note, is not seamed, nor does it reach all the way throughout the room. Damaged here at the threshold of the doorway. Carpet in the second bedroom, pretty significantly stained. Would definitely require a good shampooing. Also in the laundry space, you guys would probably need to, oh, there is a door.